All right, we're going to go ahead and solve this multi-step equation with variables on both sides. So we see that we want to solve for x. So we don't know what our x value is, but we can go ahead and figure that out. Now first what I want to do is I want to simplify on both sides. So I see that I have a 4 that can be distributed to my x and to my 2. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this part. So I have 4 times x, which equals 4x, and then I have 4 times -2, which equals -8 or -8, and then I still have my +3, and I'm going to write the rest of my equation as well. Now that I've simplified both sides, I can start combining like terms. So I see that I have a -8 and a +3, so I can combine that, and that's going to go ahead and equal a -5. Now I'm still going to have my 4x here, and I'm going to bring down the rest of my equation, keep myself organized. And now I want to combine like terms by combining like terms from both sides. So I see that I have a 4x here and a 2x here. Now it's easier to work with positive numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides. This way I can keep my x positive. So 4x minus 2x gives me 2x, and I still have my -5, and then that equals 11. Now I still see that I have a constant here, -5, and I can combine that with my 11 because those are like terms. So in order to combine those, I'm going to take my -5 and I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And now I'm left with 2x equals 11 plus 5 is 16. Now I've separated and combined my like terms. So now I have x on one side and my constant on the other, but I do see that I have this coefficient of 2 that I need to get rid of in order to solve for x. So this 2x is actually multiplication, so the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide each side by 2 to get x by itself. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we say that cancels out, just leaving us with 1x. And then we have 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So therefore, now I know that x equals 8.